Welcome to our guide on the best essential oils to enhance your body butter experience. Whether you're looking for relaxation, rejuvenation, or simply a delightful scent, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the top essential oils you can add to your homemade body butter. First up, we have lavender essential oil. Known for its calming properties, lavender oil is perfect for a relaxing body butter. It helps reduce stress, promote better sleep, and soothe irritated skin. Next, we have peppermint essential oil. Ideal for an invigorating and refreshing body butter, peppermint oil stimulates circulation and provides a cooling sensation, perfect for tired muscles and feet. Another fantastic option is tea tree essential oil. Renowned for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, tea tree oil is great for those with acne-prone or irritated skin. Now let's talk about sweet orange essential oil. Its cheerful, uplifting scent can brighten your day and provide a dose of vitamin C for your skin. Eucalyptus essential oil is perfect for a refreshing and clarifying body butter. Its anti-inflammatory and decongestant properties make it a great choice for muscle relief and respiratory support. Remember, the key to creating the perfect body butter is to experiment with different essential oils and find what works best for you. Always do a patch test to ensure you don't have any sensitivities to the oils. With these essential oils, your body butter will not only nourish your skin, but also elevate your self-care routine. Thanks for watching and happy blending. Don't forget to subscribe for more DIY skincare tips and tricks.